Hey, lovely people, hope you all are doing good. Today, let us take you to a place in Hong Kong which is equally admiring and enjoyable. So, stay tuned with us. And yes, please do consider subscribing to our channel. It definitely does motivate us to put in more such good content. You would have guessed by this time that we are heading towards Ocean Park today. So, stay tuned with us. Sitting on an idle weekend and thinking what to do, then Ocean Park is the place where you can head to. Now, this definitely is a place which can be enjoyed by the elders at home, the younger ones, the kids, almost everyone. So we first went out to see the penguins, the Antarctica special, and just trust me, they were just spectacular. Just the very sight of them, so many penguins together, all hopping around, dancing around, it was just a sight to see. The ones that you see standing majestically with the yellow band in their neck are the king penguins. And just true to their name, whenever they dive inside the water, there are a set of penguins who just follow them. Truly majestic, right? It was soothing to see these penguins lazing around and just, diving very calmly. And you know what? Penguin fathers are the ones who actually incubate over the eggs while the mother penguins go around in search of food. And even after the eggs are hatched, it is the father penguins who, take the utmost care of their little ones. Penguin fathers are an inspiration, I say, right? Next, we saw the Arctic fox. It more or less looked like the Pomeranian breed of dogs, but it was very friendly. The kids truly had a very nice time waving their hands, and it literally waved them back. After a hectic round of you, it headed to a much needed nap. I get you, buddy. Next, we headed about seeing the seals, and it was truly nice to see them. Well, it was, I think, the second or the third time that I'm seeing the seals, and these were quite different from the ones that I had seen before. Now, this comes something very different. Can you guess what it is? Well, this is the first time that I'm seeing a walrus so close, and it was truly amazing. Our next stop was the Grand Aquarium. So, this is as soon as you enter the ocean park towards your left, and this is quite big. It has whole lot of varieties of fish and other aquatic animals. Can you see the two clownfish? Let me zoom in and you can get a better view. Just look at these fish. They look so beautiful. But just hold on, they are venomous lionfish. We got lucky to have a spectacular view of the octopus. It was a wonderful sight seeing all the tentacles so close by. Can you see the octopus literally blinking at you? I seriously never knew that seahorses are this small. They are so tiny that I never expected they would be. Next came in the jellyfish, so many of them, but like I've seen jellyfish before, so they kind of didn't excite me that much.
Well, just look at this gentleman staring at you. This stingray was so massive to see, and we were quite delighted to see it just staring at us. Just look at the way it swims away. And next comes in the swordfish. Also, they had a huge school of milkfish. Now, this fish, I'm not sure of its name, but it instantly caught my attention. Just see the glow in its eyes. It's kind of a bit scary, right? And the next comes in the crab. So, it's a usual one. Then the starfish happily swaying away. Also, they had set up some corals, and yeah, it was worth seeing them. The fish that peacefully inhabited these artificially set up corals. The more colorful fish around. And here again, they had set up a whole lot of corals inside, so we just took a snippet of those. These were brightly colored yellowfish. This was actually the wolf eel that you just saw before. And here they had kept a very huge glass panel, and there were so many fish right across. It was wonderful to see all these fish, swimming about, and they were just so many of them, just so many. It was kind of relaxing just seeing this fish. Different species. Just look at the fish going around as a whirlpool. Very soothing sight. So, they had actually mentioned all the fish that are inside this glass panel. Just like my little one, if you're wondering whether this glass panel will break, then rest assured this is 68 centimeter in thickness. That massive, right? So that is the glass panel behind which they have put all these fish. There was yet another exciting thing just outside this aquarium, wherein when you just bang this panel with all your strength, the water just gushes up. So the little ones were having a nice time here. So, yes, Ocean Park is much more than just being an amusement park. So, This has a whole lot of, aquatic animals, and it is very soothing to watch. So do pay a visit. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching the video.